Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, let me show you how serial set can help us to solve our daily life problem. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Tamiza. My student ID number is 111-9017-00000012. I'm from class A. I'm a student of Mathematics Education Department at State Islamic University Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. Okay, so is it true that the serial set can help us to solve the daily life problem? Then, what's the example of that? Come on, let's check this out. I have a problem here. Mrs. Ayla is the new homeroom teacher for grade 7. She has taken data of student tourist visit to the beach in East Nusa Tenggara. It was found that 37 students have taken trip to Pink Beach, 34 students have taken trip to Koka Beach, and 26 students have taken trip to Liman Beach. 16 students have taken trip to Pink Beach and Koka Beach, 9 students have taken trip to Koka Beach and Liman Beach, and 10 students have taken trip to Pink Beach and Liman Beach. There are 3 students who have taken trip to Pink Beach, Koka Beach, and Liman Beach. Each student has taken trip to one beach. The question is, what's the total number of students in class? Firstly, we must know that a set is a collection of things which has the same characteristics. All the elements should be related and well defined. And yeah, the problem that we have here already confirmed the definition of set. Okay, next. There are 37 students who have taken trip to Pink Beach, 34 students who have taken trip to Koka Beach, and 26 students who have taken trip to Liman Beach. The entire problem talks about these 3 beaches. Look at the question. Is it true that 37 plus 34 plus 36 is equal to 97 is the total number of students in class? It's a classic mistake that often happens. I previously said that the entire problem talks about 3 beaches. Some students have taken trip to 2 beaches and some students have taken trip to all 3 beaches. So, there will be 3 sets Venn diagram. And yep, the best way to approach this problem is to draw a Venn diagram. And the question, how to draw the Venn diagram? Let's make it. We can draw a rectangle to represent a universal set. Universal set is defined a set which contains every element of data. It's easily identified with a capital U, a circle for P as Pink Beach, and K as Koka Beach. Remember, to denote set, we can use capital letters. This is the intersection area which has 16 students. Wait, do you know what the intersection is? The intersection of 2 sets is a new set, which only includes those members existing in both sets. Look at the last line. There are 3 students who have taken trip to all 3 beaches. So, that will be the intersection of P and K as well as the intersection of that with L. The circle for L as Liman Beach will be look like this. There are 16 students have taken trip to Pink Beach and Koka Beach, 9 students have taken trip to Koka Beach and Liman Beach, and 10 students have taken trip to Pink Beach and Liman Beach. There are 3 students who have taken trip to all 3 beaches. So, do you understand why are there overlapping circles? Yup, because some students have taken trip to 2 beaches and some students have taken trip to all 3 beaches. The first line tells us that the number of students who have taken trip to Pink Beach is 37. So, we can say that the cardinal number of P we can represent it with NP is equal to 37. The cardinal number of K and K as the number of students who have taken trip to Koka Beach is equal to 34. And the cardinal number of L and L as the number of students who have taken trip to Liman Beach is equal to 26. Based on the information provided, we can write N P intersect K to represent students who have taken trip to Pink Beach and Coca Beach equals 16, and K intersect L to represent the students have taken trip to Coca Beach and Liman Beach equals 9, and NP intersect L to represent the students have taken trip to Pink Beach and Liman Beach equals 10. Another thing you should keep in mind while solving three-set Venn diagram is always start in the center and go outward. The area in the center consists of students that have taken trip to all three beaches equals 3. Now, let's move outward. There are 3 students that have taken trip to all 3 beaches, and we can see that the total number of this area is 16. So, we can subtract 16 by 3 equals 13. So, this area we can fill 13. With the same logic, let's try to fill another area. As we know that N, K intersect L equals 9, and 3 students that have taken trip to all 3 beaches. So, to get the number of students that have taken trip to Coca Beach and Liman Beach but never yet taken trip to Pink Beach, we can subtract 9 by 3. We get 6. Next, we know that NP intersect L equals 10. We'll have 7 students. We can subtract 10 by 3 equals 7. So now, the number of students who only have taken trip to one beach is 37 students have taken trip to Pink Beach. So, 37 minus 13 minus 3 minus 7 is equal to 14. 34 students have taken trip to Coca Beach. So, 34 minus 13 minus 3 minus 6 is equal to 12. And 26 students have taken trip to Liman Beach. So, 26 minus 7 minus 3 minus 6 is equal to 10. We can say that 14 students have taken trip only to Pink Beach, 12 students have taken trip only to Coca Beach, and 10 students have taken trip only to Liman Beach. Now, our Venn diagram is ready with all areas filled in. Let's answer the question, what's the total number of students in class? To find that, we just add all the numbers. 14 plus 13 plus 12 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 equals 65. So, total number of students in class is 65. Well, we have succeeded to solve the problem above. After you watch this video, I hope you can solve another case or problem easier. See you! Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.